Hello, ma'am and sir. I'm Lisa Macadagrom. I live in Waulana del Sur. I am 37-year-old, married. I have 2 children, boy and girl. I am Roman Catholic and I am high school graduate. I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong from June 2018 to November 2019. I serve 7 adult and 1 children and 1 born baby. For my duties responsibility, there are cooking, washing the clothes, cleaning, marketing, and take care of them. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me, I follow your rules and regulation, and I am promised I work you 5 years and up, and I will take care of your family and your children. Thank you and God bless.